Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and we finally have our April digitals ready. So I did 3 pages. This is your large April calendar, and then I did some smaller calendars, a couple of smaller ones, and then I just did some words just to fill in the space, some things that you might use like April showers, spring, the number 4, 2021, journal, my favorite number 8, create, journal, noteworthy, inspire, flower, spring, just things that you can use in there. So I did those. And then this is what I was going to use on the front of my April journal. Now I think it actually goes this way, but I wanted the purple on the front, so I think I'm going to turn mine like this. I don't think it's going to matter. Look at that. I think if I turn it like this, put it down like that, it's still going to work. So that is what I'm going to use for the front of my journal. You don't have to use this. You can use whatever you want. But I just saw this in there and I thought it was pretty, so I'm going to use this on the front of my journal. You can shrink it up and use it on the inside of your journal or something else. Now, I apologize if I have a little bit of shaking going on with my video. We're still setting everything up, and my camera is not exactly on a firm foundation right now. It is just hooked to the top of my desk. So my husband's got to stabilize that so that you can see. There it goes shaking. Every time I touch it, it shakes. So I'm just going to try not to make you sick and make it shake. So I'll try not to touch it so much. But that, I wanted to let you know about that. Don't forget to check your emails for the newsletter that went out yesterday. We have lots of new products in, and you can get in on those. There's still a sale in the E-Club. No, not E-Club. There's still a sale in the E-Clearance album only. Now, I had a lot of people yesterday who tried to use that discount code that I gave on the newsletter. They tried to use it for all the products, and that's not what it's for. It's only for products in the E-Clearance album. They're already clearance down prices, but then if you use that code, you get another 25% off. We just need to move those items so that we don't have to move them back in here. But let's see what else I needed to tell you. Oh, I've had lots of people who have, sorry about the camera changing. Hang on and let me adjust this again. Okay, so I've had lots of people who have asked me about my wrist and have sent me messages and all kinds of things, and thank you so much. My wrist is not broke. It is a very bad sprain. It's black and blue and purple and yellow and all different colors. But I can still use it some. I can't grip a lot of things with it right now, but I'm still getting there. Just had a pretty bad fall on asphalt, so I am thankful that I didn't do anything worse than what I did, because it could have been horrible. But because I fell straight down, my ankle rolled over and down I went. So I did mess up the inside of my mouth a little bit. My teeth actually cut the inside of my mouth because my face hit. But you know, I'm just thankful that it wasn't worse, because it could have been. I could have broke a hip, I could have broke a leg, I could have been unconscious. I mean, lots of different things. And there was 2 sweet ladies that was in the parking lot and saw me, and they came over, and bless their hearts, they probably have back trouble now, but they pulled me up, got me all the way up. I couldn't stand on my own. I was real shaky, and they got me all the way up and stood me up and took me back to my car. And so I thank them. I have no idea if they even watch my videos or know who I am, but I thank them so much. And let me tell you, wearing a mask, I think, saved a lot of my face, because I had my mask on, and because I put it on before I get out of the car so that I don't forget and so that I don't fumble around in my purse. And I had my mask on, and I think the mask is what saved the most part of my face. I still have a kind of a blue chin and My lip is still swollen some on the inside, that kind of thing, but mostly it was just where the roughness of the mask kind of scratched me. But if I'd have hit the asphalt with my face, I think it would have been a whole lot worse. So wear those masks. It was one time I was very, very thankful that I had a mask on. But let's see what else I was going to tell you. Oh, we did get in those guillotine trimmers. Let me show you mine. We got in the Tim Holtz guillotine trimmers that everybody had been asking me about. I have not found these on Amazon. I did find them at our wholesalers, and so we purchased some. And I'm pretty sure there's still some left. I know a lot of people bought them last night, but I think there's still some left. So we have those that are in the shop. What else did we get new? Oh, we got lots of new paper collections, more Tim Holtz collections, Tim Holtz washi, Tim Holtz rolled paper, all different kinds of things. Just go to the store and go to the new product, and you'll see all of these new products listed down through there. We have more of the tips coming in, the little tips for the Sugarbelle bottles. We have more of those coming in. Oh my gosh, all different kinds of things. But anyway, that's all I was going to do on this video, basically, is tell you about these. I'll have the direct link below where you can go over and download these for free. It doesn't cost you anything. And all we ask is that you be a subscriber to our YouTube channel. And then tomorrow, I should be able enough tomorrow. I need to be able to grip my scissors is the only thing. And right now I can almost do it. So I think by tomorrow I'll be able to grip my scissors enough that we can start on our AJ kit. So watch for that. We will be working on that tomorrow. I had mine right here somewhere, but I'm not sure exactly where it is. So the first thing that you need to get out for your AJ kit is make sure that you have your little envelope. Let me see, right here's mine. Oh, you wouldn't believe our whole shop is still in a big mess. So mine got a little bent, but that's okay. You'll need your envelope, and then you'll need the 12 by 12 papers that came in your kit. You'll need some of those, because the first thing that we're going to do is start on the journal cover. So this is going to be our journal cover. Now, I don't want mine any thicker than what this will create along with my paper, because the paper's pretty thick. But if you want yours thicker, you can go ahead and cut up some cereal boxes that are just the size of this, and you can slide those in your envelope and make it a little bit thicker. I don't want mine thicker. I want it to have a little bit of give to it, but that's up to you. So this will be the size of our journal right there. So that's going to be a nice size. So go ahead and get all of that out and get it ready, and tomorrow we will start on that. It'll probably take me 3 or 4 videos, because Erin's going to help me, so it'll probably take me 3 or 4 videos to really get it completed. But just bear with us and we will get that done. I apologize for not being able to get videos uploaded sooner. It just, things happen. Life happens. That's just the way it goes. So, but like I said before, I'm very, very thankful that it could have been a lot worse, and it wasn't. And I'm so thankful that it wasn't. And I will get back to par. I said normal in the newsletter, and then I went, what is normal anyway? But I'll get back up to par shortly. We will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for all of our new subscribers. Please hang in there. I will have videos flowing back up soon. And then all of the people who have messaged me and posted on our Facebook page everything about wishing me well and praying for my hand to get well. It is getting so much better. Thank you guys so much. We love you. Take care. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click that little bell so that you'll be notified when we put up a new video. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.